It's asking what is the root of the quadratic equation. Remember, root is another word for x, and which is another word for solution. So we're trying to find the solution, the x-intercept, the root. So in order to do this, I have to either factor, complete the square, or use the quadratic formula. And by looking at my answers, I'm going to be using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here's a, here's b, and here's c. So a is 4, b is 3, and c is negative 2. So I'm going to have the opposite of b plus or minus the square root all over 2a. So remember, I use the discriminant and I do it on this side. Kind of makes it easier. So I'm going to have b squared minus 4ac. So 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. And negative 16 times 2 is positive 32. And 9 plus 32 would be 41. So that is going to go back. Notice that we can't simplify 41. Even if we do a prime tree, it's not simplified. So we're going to have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 41 all over 8. And notice that the answers, you wrote it, instead of them writing it as a plus or minus, they wrote it as two answers. So the answer is A.